He's more months or a year removed from the knee surgery.
Another drive to right. It's deep. It's back. It's gone. Another homer for Lance Berkman. What a road trip. Are you kidding me?
Don't wake him up.
That's a hitter that's locked in.
And just nice and easy. And even Lance told me, in spring training, everyone was worried about the knee, the elbow, the calf. And he said, I'm still trying to figure out if I can still hit the ball. And he was very honest. He said, it's either I'm going to get myself back to this elite level or I go home. And I think he is kind of